a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gracemont, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Right here. It's like Lawton, right in the middle of it.